Hey guys, Chichi here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be giving you the rundown and the lowdown on my crochet twist by Outre X-pression. I've been rocking these lovely twists since the end of June, and your girl actually installed this crochet by herself because you know Rona's still outside, so I'm not going to a salon. So I hopped on YouTube, found me a cute little tutorial, tried it myself. So when I first installed it, it was supposed to be the individual crochet illusion method, but your girl's hair grew in and now you can't see anything, which y'all know I love. I love me a little whole natural. Where it start? Before I take it out, I definitely wanted to give you, the pros and cons of this hair. So I ended up getting the Outre X-pression Twisted Up Wavy Bomb Twist in 18 inches. Here is the label, and the color that I got was 2T1B/350. It's the same color that the model is wearing on the actual packaging. I got my hair from SamsBeauty.com. They came through. They actually had this color, which I was happy about. This color on camera is reading a lot more red than what it is. It's more of a coppery red, like not super burgundy, not really red. It's a pretty copper. I wanted something a little bit different for the summertime. If you guys have been rocking with me, y'all have seen every summer I go for a crochet something. Normally it's a lock, but this time I decided to give the twist a try. I used 6 packs in total, and the hair is just super light. Now if you're familiar with my channel and been rocking with me for a while, you guys know I've really been into the locks for the summer, but this time I wanted to change it up. So I started looking at some twists and things like that, and I stumbled on this one and I thought it was pretty dope. It doesn't come super long. It's right above the teats. As soon as my boobs start, that's where the hair actually ends. It's not super long. I really enjoyed doing the invisible method because the middle of my hair wasn't super full, which I really do like. I'll take my hair down for y'all a little bit, but I really enjoy just having this lightweight hair. You guys know I ain't got time for no heavy behind hair. Now, as far as the snap, crackle, pops go, very minimum. So you can really run your fingers through the hair. It washes completely fine. And as far as the ends go, a few of them do get a little bit unraveled, but it's not in a annoying, like, ugh, that looks really ratty. And if it does look ratty to you, you can just cut off the ends and this will be fine. It's almost like an ombre color, which I like because I kind of like my roots to be darker. Here's one of these strands. You can see it's a very springy twist. It is pre-looped, I forgot to mention, but I do like the gradient ombre in the color. So the tips are definitely a 350, but you get that mix of the 1B, the 2, really gorgeous links, and they're really springy, like boing. So they're not super long where they're like getting caught anywhere, but it's it's not so short where it's like, did I really buy hair? I've really been enjoying this hair thus far. Y'all see me rocking it in all of my videos this summer, and I just dig it. I have no complaints. I think this is the first time I've actually tried the Outre line for crochet, and I would definitely look into a few other styles. I really want to do like a full-on passion twist with the loose bits and everything, but I'm scared because connect a line, I don't like ratty ends, okay? I don't like ratty looking hair. I don't have time to be cut. I've been really experimenting with the hair, just putting it in a little top ponytail like this. I've done a quick little bun. I've put a little bit to the front so it'll look like a little bayang. That bayang. God, the internet kills me every time. But you know, it's very versatile when it comes to, you know, styling it, and it really doesn't need a lot of maintenance, and that's why I look for it in the summertime, because, well, I used to have places to go in the summer, but this summer, you know, she's been cooped up in the house. But overall, I highly recommend this hair. It's super inexpensive. It's like $8 a pack for this length. If I believe it comes in maybe a 12 or 14 inch for like $1 less if you want something a little bit shorter. And yeah, I just think it's a beautiful color. I really dig this hair. It's super lightweight. As far as the smell, it doesn't hold a lot of smell, which is really nice, because sometimes, you know, if you frying food up, you know, you get that smell. So I haven't had any lingering smells in my hair, which is a bonus, because I fully appreciate that. But overall, I really dig the hair. It's cute, it's fun. I love the springs. Let me know if you have any other questions down in the comment section. Check out some of my other videos, and I will catch you in the next one. Stay comfy, guys. Bye.